Hi folks, so today's video is going to feature a watch that is slightly different to what I would normally feature. This is not a Swiss-made watch. It's one of the so-called cheaper brands called Ingersoll. Now they've been around a long time, but are not so well known in this country. But I saw this watch a while back and thought, that looks attractive, let's give it a go. And when it arrived, I was not disappointed. So here it is. It's the Ingersoll Scovill. It's an automatic watch. And it can be, well, it retails for around about £350. But I'm sure if you look around, you'll get it a lot cheaper than that. And it really surprised me. And it goes to show that you don't always have to stick to the luxury Swiss-made watches if you want something that looks classy and doesn't cost a fortune. I think if you look hard, you can find this watch for around about £200, which is incredible value for what you're getting. It is an automatic Miyota movement. The case size is 43mm, thickness 15mm. Has an aluminium rotating unidirectional bezel and a wonderful domed crystal. It's not sapphire, but it doesn't matter because it's fantastic. Look at that profile. Very classy. Now this watch does have a resemblance to a certain Omega, which is no problem at all. I really love the rose gold markers there. Finishing on the indices and the hands there is excellent. For a watch in this price bracket, it's surprisingly high-end. There are no rough edges on the application of those markers, and they catch the light superbly. I was really surprised when I first looked at this dial in detail like this. I did not expect the finishing to be that good. As you can see, the markers are filled with lume and the hands, and on the second hand too. You have a small date window at the 3 o'clock position. It has a screw down crown. Nice smooth action, not gritty at all. Excellent. As you can see, this watch is 100-meter water resistant. It has a unidirectional rotating bezel, which is a nice action. No back plate there. Lines up well. The 43mm case is brushed all round on the sides. The top of the lugs are brushed, but the chamfered edge is polished, giving an interesting contrast there with brushed and polished. The case back is transparent, got an exhibition case back there, and there's the movement, which is nicely decorated. That's one of the nicer looking Miyota movements I've seen. The edge of the case back is interesting with the stepped ridge outside it there. That's quite an attractive movement by Miyota there. Good. You've got the crown, which is brushed. It's not signed. The one negative about this watch was the strap it came on. This is not the original strap. This has been changed to a better leather strap. It came on a thick leather strap that was quite stiff and unattractive. So it's been replaced with this one. The watch keeps good time. It's very attractive. well made, good finishing, and I strongly recommend this watch to anyone that's looking to get an automatic watch for under £300. This one will be hard to beat. I'll just show you quickly what it looks like on the wrist. There it is. It feels and looks a lot smaller than 43mm. Sits well with the curved lugs at the end. We'll have a quick look at the loom shot now. So I just want to point out that when I read up on the brand of Ingersoll, there are a lot of so-called watch snobs out there that rubbish it. But based on this, I don't see how they can. I read a lot of comments, people saying, oh, why don't you get a Seiko or a Citizen for that price? Well, I have to say, I haven't seen many Seikos or Citizens under £500 that look as good as this. It's got a citizen movement in it anyway. So why are people always putting off these other brands that just because they haven't got the same marketing budget behind them, so the awareness isn't there, it doesn't mean they're inferior. This is a superb watch and equal to any Seiko or Citizen that I've seen at that price, and maybe even better. So don't be put off by those people that rubbish these other so-called brands that aren't so well known. It's worth a look. You could be missing something fantastic by being scared to try a less well-known brand. This is a very good watch. It has a good, reliable, automatic movement. It's well made, very attractive, and hard to beat at that price. So that wraps up this review of the Ingersoll Scovill automatic. I'll leave you with some gorgeous close-up shots of this marvellous watch.